Meaning of dependent clause.
Dependent clause.
Dependent clause.
Dependent clause.
Dependent clause. A dependent clause is a group of words that contains a subject and a verb but cannot stand on its own as a complete sentence because it does not express a complete thought. It depends on an independent clause to function within a sentence. Dependent clauses are also known as subordinate clauses, and they are used to provide additional information or context to the main clause. They can function as adjectives, adverbs, or nouns within a sentence. Understanding dependent clauses is essential for constructing clear and concise sentences that convey a complete thought.